Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to subscript text in Legend in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here a chart. The chart have a legend. We can see here the legend. Now we want to add the subscript text into legend. At first, right click any cell, then write the text you want to add the subscript. Now I am make the text A, then write 1, then go to the insert menu, select the symbol option, then select the normal text and choose the subset subscript and superscript. You can add the superscript or subscript. Now I make 1, then click insert and click close, then select the chart, click right button, go to the select data option, click edit, then select the subscript text, click OK, then again click OK. We can see we make that legend text subscript easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.